Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: Python extension, Pytest installed, and a recognized interpreter. Once done, open your project folder and activate the same virtualenv view used to install packages. Next, instruct Vscode to discover tests by selecting Pytest in Testing Settings and running Discover Tests. This tells Vscode where to map files and breakpoints. Doing this now ensures tests show in Test Explorer and prevents later confusion when breakpoints don't bind to test runs. Now you configure a debug launch that runs Pytest directly. Create a launch. JSON entry pointing the program to your Python interpreter and pass Pytest plus args for a test module or K to filter tests. This gives control over which tests run. Make sure CWD equals your workspace root and include environment variables used by tests. Choose Integrated Terminal for realistic I/O. These settings bind breakpoints to the exact test process. Otherwise, debugging will start in a subprocess where your breakpoints won't hit. Finally, run the debugger from Test Explorer or your custom launch configuration and hit breakpoints as tests execute. You will step in, step out, and evaluate expressions while watching frames and variables to understand failures. This helps you pinpoint logic or state issues. If breakpoints are missed, pause, verify you're using the exact interpreter, ensure source files match what's executed, and disable pytest or parallel runners. These checks solve most mismatches and get you back to interactive debugging quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.